Good morning everyone. My name is E. Avya from grade 10. Today I am explaining about sets. Sets, a collection of well-defined objects or elements usually denoted by curly brackets. Examples: a day in a week. Second, the digits in Ramanujan's number. Types of sets: empty set, a set, empty set, a set that contains no elements. Example: whole numbers less than 0. Subset, a set that contains only elements other than in another set. Example: set A is equals to 2, 3, 5. Set B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Singleton set, a set that contains only exactly one element. Example: the even prime number. Finite set, a set that definite number a set that definite numbers in a digit. Example: set A is equals to 1, 2, 3 to 999. N of A is equals to 999. Infinite set, a set with infinite digits in a element. Multiple of 3. Set A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Thank you.